Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new here, hit the like button, like and share for more videos. Okay, so guys, today we'll be making a remedy on joystick. Okay, so in this video we'll be needing a blender, papaya. This is alligator pepper, as you can see in here. Alligator pepper. This is ginger and one lime. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, introduce your papaya into the blender. Okay, so here you have your ginger. Add your peeled ginger to it. Here you have your alligator pepper. You can get this to buy anywhere. It can be ordered from if you want. Okay, so I'll be blending these ones together. So let's go for the blending now. Okay, and you will be adding a glass of water, very little one. Okay, so we are going to blend them together. So don't forget, we have alligator pepper, we have the papaya, we have the ginger in here now. We have the lime. Lime is still here, so let's go. Yeah, it's fully blended now. Okay, so we're adding my lemon to it now. Normally I add half part of it to it. Okay, half lemon to it. So we are blending again just once in order to mix the lemon together with it. Or if you know it's okay by you, like me, I don't always blend back because I know it's okay. So this is it. Okay, so you are ready to take it right now. So this is it. It's really nice. Try it and thank me later. Okay, bye.